Okay, so first things first, tricks for Python stuff. One, it's probably best to get Python files to open in CodeWriter. So if you want Python files to open in CodeWriter by default, get yourself a py file, right-click on it, go down to Properties, and then here there's a Opens With that you can change. I would recommend you change this to CodeWriter. Yeah, or Notepad, or whatever. The CodeWriter thing is fairly slick. I've played with it a little bit today, so I'm a fan of this thing. And now when you open a py file, it won't try to run this silly thing. It'll just open it in CodeWriter. And so you can like look at what's going on. CodeWriter has some nice like colors stuff so that you can tell which things are commented out. It is not the processing compiler. It's not going to warn you about things you've done that are dumb or variables that don't go together or whatever. But it will at least color things and do block indenting in a reasonable way. Cool. So that's trick number one. Trick numero dos is if you go in here, I'm so proud of myself for this one. So if you in your folder that has your .py files, right? Click in the address bar and just type in PowerShell, right? And hit enter, and it'll open a PowerShell in the right folder. So you don't have to cd into the folder and risk typing things wrong or screwing it up. Yeah, isn't that great? Okay, so that's the extent of tips and tricks that I've learned about Python so far.